Point-by-point calibration is a technology used to improve the brightness, uniformity, and color fidelity of LED displays. Often used in COB on-site large screen calibration and single-box point-by-point calibration, it can improve debugging results and efficiency, ensuring a high degree of uniformity. It can solve various screen issues such as bright, dark lines, mosaic patterns, and other problems. First, set the controller to point-to-point mode and disable scaling. Turn off brightness and color correction on the receiver card. Calibration should ideally be performed in a completely dark environment. Prevent ambient light from affecting calibration. Next, calibrate camera settings. Set tripod height to match camera with screen center. Adjust the tripod to a level position. Install the camera. Connect the camera power cable and attach the data cable to the computer. Adjust the camera position using the knob and lens ring. Install the camera driver on the computer. Launch the calibration software. After creating a new project, set the screen size. Set the display area size, the actual LED display area captured by the camera. The module refers to the width and height dimensions of a module. Set the temperature of the camera. Slightly lower than the ambient temperature is sufficient. Select the corresponding device. After clicking OK, the software will automatically restart. Next, connect the display screen. Open the calibration server software. Obtain the IP address. Click Connect. Click the capture setting. Set the step. The maximum length and width of a single photo taken by the camera is 600 by 400. The screen here is 416 by 624. So set the step to 2. Click Control Camera. Connect. Then click the Find View. The entire image captured by the camera can be seen in the software view display area. Select the Delete region. Eliminate interference from other light sources. Click Obtain. When displaying red, green, and blue colors, the number of LED pixels must be greater than 45. Click Location. The displayed value should match the number of LEDs currently lit in the horizontal and vertical directions. Ensure that the red, green, and blue pixels are clearly visible on the display screen. The framing size of the center point and the view edge point remain consistent. Click Generate Task. Camera starts recording. Do not perform any other operations during the collection process. After collection is complete, the view display area will show the collected display screen information diagram. Click Save. File Correct. Select 1*9 call format. Click Generate. The generated files are saved in the Save folder of the project path and project name when a new project is created. You can copy and paste this text document, rename the file, and change .txt to .crgb. Open the HD Set software. Click Correction. Click Import. Import coefficients generated by calibration software. Click Send. Screen configuration. Click Read Back. Then open Advanced Settings. Select Chroma in calibration mode. Open Low-Grade Calibration. Set the grayscale value to around 8. Send and curing. The calibration is now complete.